In today's video, we'll talk about how to make your Google Docs document in landscape mode. This is super useful if you're working with charts, tables, or anything that looks better on a wider page. Let's get started. First, open Google Docs in your browser. Once you're there, go ahead and open the document you want to adjust. Here's a quick preview of the document in its current portrait layout. Now, let's switch it to landscape. At the top menu, click on File. From the drop-down, choose Page Setup. A page setup window will appear. In this menu, find the Orientation section. By default, it's set to Portrait. To change it, simply click on Landscape. Now, just hit the OK button to apply the changes. And that's it. Your document is now in landscape mode. You'll notice the page is wider, giving you more space for your content. If you want every new document to start in landscape, you can also set it as the default in that same page setup window. That's how quick and easy it is to change your document to landscape in Google Docs. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Google Docs tips.